Hi everyone. In this video, let's see how to write off the stocks. So we have few of the stocks which is damaged or missing. So we need to make a record of this, right? So for that, let's go to inventory, stock journal, add stock journal, come down. So you can see this source and consumption. Over here, the products which we are finding missing or damaged, we need to select here, considering this as a missing. And we have one more product which is damaged, and this quantity, one damage and two are missing. So these all we are going to put it in one place, that is missing stock. Here the quantity is 3 and then save. So this is how you write off the stock. Thank you for watching this video.